In this video, I will show you how to enable an ad-free VPN on Windows 11. Click Start, and select Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click VPN. Click Add VPN and Connection. VPN provider, select Windows. Type connection name. Now open your browser, and go to the following website. Copy server name. Paste it under server name or address. VPN type is automatic. Type of sign-in info is username and password. Copy username and password from website. Click Save. Click Connect. VPN successfully connected. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.